Guys, in for another video here. This time I'm doing a follow-up video on the Driveshaft situation I had last year. Yeah, I think we can say pretty much the shaft is about to break. As you saw in the previous video, I started to have these weird noises coming from underneath the car at the beginning, and then digging in, we found out it was the drive shaft. Now, the good news for me is that I was able to get a warranty replacement, even though it was just at the end of my 60,000 miles, 5-year powertrain warranty. Dodge really honored their word there, and thank you. And they replaced the drive shaft under warranty. They also replaced the differential. After my first visit, it was still making some noise, and they replaced the differential there as well as a preventive replacement. So I'm really happy as well for that. So now I have a new drive shaft and a new differential. Now the thing is with the Challenger and they kind of changed and the way they've put it together since 2015. The drive shaft now are only available in as a one part. You can't just replace the center bearing. Usually that's where it fails. In this case it was, so you have to change the whole thing. So you can either go the route there with the Dodge and their two-piece drive shaft, or you could probably as well go to the third party. DDS, I think DSS has a one-piece drive shaft made of aluminum. They also have the carbon one. So, if it wouldn't be under warranty, I guess I would have looked at those avenues as well. But since it was covered, there's no point for me to replace with any other part. So let's take a look at it. Check it out.